Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna be talking about what a humidifier and dehumidifier do and the importance it brings to our home. But first let's explain the difference between dehumidifier and humidifier. Dehumidifier is an appliance that takes moisture out of the air in your home, while a humidifier is a device that releases moisture to the air. Now let's explain the benefits of a dehumidifier. A dehumidifier helps reduce allergy symptoms, like wheezing, sneezing, chest pains, eye irritation and itching. This happens because molds, dust mites and pollen tend to build up in a humid home. That is why dehumidifying may help to control those and keep it to a minimum. On the other hand, a humidifier acts as a moisturizing agent that can relieve dryness, such as dry skin, sinus congestion, dry throat, bloody noses, cracked lips. You may be prone to these discomforts when the air in your home is dry, especially during winter season. So which one is for you? Well, it depends on the place of where you live, because tropical countries tend to be really humid, so you could really use a dehumidifier. On the other hand, if you live in a place that is cold throughout the year, then a humidifier is best for you since cold places have dry air. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think. Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.